How to use Teamwork Advanced Project Suite properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Teamwork Advanced Project Suite is designed to handle complex projects, but beginners often misuse its features, costing time, efficiency, and clarity. You won't believe how much impact small mistakes can have if you don't follow best practices. One common mistake is neglecting project templates. Teamwork allows creating templates for recurring projects, but beginners often start each project from scratch. This wastes time and increases the risk of missing critical steps. Using templates ensures consistency and speeds up project setup. Another frequent error is improper task assignment. Teamwork allows assigning tasks to specific team members with deadlines, priorities, and dependencies. Beginners may assign tasks without clear deadlines or skip dependencies, which leads to bottlenecks. Proper assignment ensures accountability and smooth workflow. Communication is another pitfall. Teamwork offers internal messaging, comments, and file attachments, but many beginners rely on external emails. This can scatter information, causing confusion. Keeping all communication within the platform centralizes updates and keeps teams aligned. Many users also fail to utilize milestones and timelines. Teamwork's Gantt charts and milestone tracking help visualize project progress. Beginners may ignore them, leading to missed deadlines and unclear progress tracking. Using these features provides a clear roadmap and improves transparency for stakeholders. Finally, reporting is often overlooked. Teamwork provides insights into team performance, task completion, and project health. Beginners who don't monitor these reports miss opportunities to optimize resources and improve efficiency. Regular review of dashboards ensures projects stay on track and deliver on time. To use Teamwork Advanced Project Suite properly, use templates, assign tasks clearly, centralize communication, track milestones, and monitor reports. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures smoother projects, higher productivity, and better results across your team.